Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download Alight Motion on laptop. So let's get started. So if you want to download Alight Motion on your laptop, then what you have to do is first of all open up your browser. So you can select any browser you like. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for Alight Motion Download PC. After searching for that, now you'll come up to this page, and after coming up to this page, now you have to search for the website which says alightmotionpc.net. So here you can find that website. So it says alightmotionpc.net. So what you have to do is just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now you can download the PC version of Alight Motion. So just tap on download Alight Motion PC, and then again download over here. After tapping on that, now you have to select a version. So if you want to download an old version, you can do that, or you can also download the new version. So you just have to scroll down, and here you can find the various versions. So what you can do is just simply tap on its latest version, which is v5.0025. After tapping on that, you just have to wait for 5 seconds. And after waiting for 5 seconds, now you can find this file. So what you can do is just simply download it. And after tapping on download here, you can see guys, you have successfully downloaded that file. So what you have to do is just simply open up that file, and after opening up that file, you just have to follow some on-screen steps. So like you just have to install it application on your device, and after installing it, you just have to log into your account or just create an account, and then you can use the Alight Motion Pro version. So that's it guys, this is how to download Alight Motion on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.